It is about time to build a higher solidarity among indigenous peoples worldwide, based on a deeper appreciation that imperialism and neoliberal globalization is at the root of our common problem.
Sidong ilay yung sina Idong maay Nanggang ay sidong ilay yung sina Idong maay Sa lidumay ay diway.
Let us unite as an international indigenous peoples movement for self-determination and liberation as we strive to build a better world beyond the neoliberal capitalist model.
As people united will never be defeated. Long live international solidarity.
Nanggang ay sidong ilay yung sina Idong maay Nanggang ay sidong